So the Betts team is incredible, and I would refer them to anyone. I was Barbara Betts' first client way back about 17 years ago, and she's been taking care of family for me, my elderly family, friends of mine, so many people for the last 17 years. Please trust them with your families and your friends. They will sell your house. They will help you buy a house. They will make your dreams come true.
You really, really become part of a family.
Yeah.
And yes, we can argue that my father sold his house with them. Her sister sold her house with them. So just cheers to them growing and continuing to grow, and sky's the limit.
Every single person standing up here is going to take amazing care of your friends and family, and we can't keep doing these parties without all of you. So I need you all to dance. I need you to have a good time. I need you to keep eating, keep drinking. Thank you for your support. We appreciate every single one of you, and be ready. Flash Pants is coming.